Meanwhile, the Meghalaya BJP has slammed the Shillong Smart City project, saying Shillong is becoming an unlivable city. BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang said that the Shillong Smart City exists only in hoardings, whereas there is hardly any space for pedestrians to walk. Furthermore, Kharkrang said that even the newly built roads are being immediately occupied by hawkers, while government does not intervene at the initial stages to remove them.
It's sad to say, but I don't see anything smart about Shillong. I don't see anything smart. And of course, the only things we see smart is that the billboards that we see around the city. I can say that Shillong is no longer a livable city. Way to Nigrams, all the footpaths are filled in with hawkers. Now, if the government is not acting at the initial stage, then when do you expect that the government will act? Now, you act after 2-3 years when these people have laid claim to the land or to that place. Now, that means we don't have any futuristic plans for our city. I'm sorry.